You know what? I'm just going to try and stop because the way I'm charged today, if I don't stop, it won't be good for somebody. When you are fighting for their future, they are rather fighting you because they think you want something from them. They think you need something from them. And it breaks my heart. It really does break my heart.
For Ghana TV GH, make like, comment, subscribe, and for notification so turn it on so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will start making a
Ghana for my church, you see any break because of man is an easy corner. They say ya and they say ye ena ye kumi. Precise ancrofui imfui. Yadi o my agreement say or mom be sees your man or mom pe or man on coso. That bay pa na Ghana ebe huni nyansa. Ama nyansa no mono. Se party bi baswa. Or the best is your man say na nyansa for party to say MPP was one. Me hunu say the same Duncan Williams. One no wo dwa n'anim wo na son dem te say ya che abronye ntino ono se o de ne case sisi egu abronye so enkosi hu ya dwunso gu cases no so because abronye kan na ne kure o kan ho na ko hunu President Akufo-Addo na nado nyansani se ese cathedral no Ghana fo enim nyansan kasa cathedral no betimi apa adwuma ama o de sen enchiri ma na se emrantie ya omo ani abreso omo pa adwuma yi uka won ana chire usan propaganda boa NDC and no my demonstration say Sadia no ya boka 58 million in the end na amanani yetu na na do no jaye and this is Sadia politics si ya boka omni ko court kan dis anka na do besi eno achi omo Sadia be ye campaign say sa cathedral no ya seska eze ko ba se ye hwehwe mu no obia enisika na do nisika na do ba bia obia nyame nhirawo onhirawo manomruso na wona nan kanso anom ebi nka wonom sei obia ono batimia gina ho adnese asi ne kokko se NDC ne MPP ye adekronti no yentu omungu se muni mo ama MPP ama meso manim de se ne o maso mu mpre no kofo time ne na do time no a confusion ebesi o manim no yentimi enso ano ne hwan nyansa ne hwan na be fresh da free MPP party na chi se wo be yo mani ye obi apaniyem pese min kumnya eze se wo mahama ne na busuafo ne kase won pese Ghana japade nyina be di omho sani omo si efum enema no sika ene mining centers ne manema no enti se mo hweye se mo ama MPP ama na fei bewumia o meye president kura hwe contribution a ode ema won se o ma no ene ni digital or say no na dem mahama se wodi adwuma yi won so mo agency no maybe ankoso gina digitalization ho because computer system na ye adwuma kromu ha ne oko migration se wo ko ye wodi san wo papers ya na se wo ko register wo license na bibia ubekwa na fidesi ho ubo papa wodi identity guso apena ya man wodi san amount receipt na de ma wono wo number ya another computer wo ha se wo no man dru ho apena aka cho se ko the same wicked number be 1 2 and 9 you be never catch the to us or follow one year say ko gina ho obegu anim ase eno ne digitalization no and then na mahama say wodi adwuma yo tamu abawumia edisa address system ibaye na mahama amane nkrofo no akwasati no omu etutu nkrofo or the same address system no etu every danenim enebio ene na mode ya gima se wo akotrake nkrofo wo kotrake nkrofo na yede dokono ne nchinam ne or the same ehito etimi kotrake nkrofo Duncan Williams mi busawo ai gabindera bae no uhunu na nase wa huno sen wosi di watam no kura no na kase won se kura se ye kan kan nipa ho Ghana gabindera obae no uhunu no na membo ambo no mohwe ye o na o man se ye munyina mutimu bi se ma Range Rover na se wutwi na se woni ahoto na se nia lawlessness ya bana protifo intimi mo Ghana for ho ba no a Range Rover no ehuni fa so ehia na se wona mo ba bi na se obi antimi me attack wa eyenchita kasi se ubenyeska na so wontimi empue New York say wa opuno encredo be se aduasa na utumu anajo eda opuna no adentira because o manager agu criminals say no na mahama pese wodi ekomu yo na so mo Ghana for de dem say ahon kire beba moso no muntimi so ano say enchere bia gise mo kransu ofira ma no ne nsu ya mo de bedware ana mo de bedno aduane kakra bi na wo mo mbuska no betimi anya what saying good source of for this drinking water uko other countries ya mesimba ne nkwada etukwan enam bese 10 miles and kilometers and san na makonya nsuo ade about if you bubu no mu abeno aduane na asetena se obetimi aduare wondimi yare ndimo hweye sese garam se no a mahama abase wontimi nso ano no waheda opeso se wa mano na monka hu se srem nyese ne netio emfie bia atwam na ho nyina ye kwaye na recklessness ntina amana adane esre no sese garam se mutwa kwai mudo kwai nyina na mubu nwe nyina na se esan fifira esre ne duro sa he na yeko aba wasitimu adne nya de wo no betime ka se wo kransuo anaso wo kra bia boa mo individuals no because wo mo gbine at the same NDC party kankan no nko aho wo mo gbine ma no eho na monya abanya sebi wo gbine o mari nyina ho se Ghana ne ya chichire but nya party na do eso ne obekan se wo a wo ba join no na wo se wo be wura politics no mu na wo de anya sika no ene ba bitina because ashase no firi wo sen fa ho dia Kwame Nkrumah ya wo mo no ene be buru ma no a e ba se politicians nko a na didie na Ghana mebru mi busamo mo aka kire mahama se da ben na wo mo ministers ya na se wo no mo kakra no a mahama se wo mo nko a na didie no so mo yare a wo betena Ghana akọ hospital ne mo emfo mo mba enko brochire school so na nado ebuye no anka obe ne kama no da be no mo mba ebe ko school Ghana se ne be ya enko ba se ye be school se sato ndi mo hunu yansa na mo hunu se nya da bia na mo be ya master usua ngoma na se woni dia nya dia ko nwa ye bia master At the end, this is for buying or buying, and now Ghana for me catch them. One more bass on the sale, man. Says sky one more from Eddie Agu among Quabotum. Normally, I call over a madras and no more than home. Nankasa medium fit made the 10,000 design dollars a check, Dacro. That's one number. And Timahama will be out on Sabacan beyond this in India, maybe Betuaka. Or man and him Guasia become one Yamin and him.
Today, I'm very upset, and I'll tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset of the foolishness of men. Foolishness. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Restlessness. I couldn't sleep. And I said, what generation is this? Who are these people that are so transactional? You can't build relationship with them. You don't return people's calls. You make promises, you don't keep it. Who do you think you are? You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered? Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life? Masanta kunda salan within 72 hours. Dula isala aman sulun divalan kihan sulahana wahasalin dikatun. Interpret it. Interpret it. 72 hours. Interpret it. Then you will know the difference. You know the difference. That's all I'll say. Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan Kusan Feli Atunda Kansulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares. Mosala Kazila. Mosala Kazila. Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years. And I go on the internet, social media, people lie. They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term. You think I'm a kid? Go another term for what? The Constitution doesn't allow that. It doesn't. And if that is what I believe, I don't have to gather 25 bishops and give them money to pray. I can pray myself. And if that is what I believe, I can come out publicly and say it. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you and your party. If I believe that, I will come out and I'll say it. And I'm entitled to my belief. You can't do me anything. But that is not what I believe. And that is not what he believes. So why are you setting me up? Why are you spreading lies? And there are people who, for whatever they don't even think. They hear, that Duncan Williams, he's praying, What is wrong with you? Tell someone, say, you, who are you? Believing lies. You know what? I'm just going to try and stop, because the way I'm charged today, if I don't stop, it won't be good for somebody. When you are fighting for their future, they are rather fighting you because they think you want something from them. They think you need something from them. And it breaks my heart. It really does break my heart. Because some of you who think some of us need I don't need anything from you. That's the sad thing. You rather need me. I really don't need you. And it's a matter of time you will find out that I don't need you and God doesn't need you. So stop the bluffing. Tell to someone, say, stop the bluffing, stop the bluffing. Yeah, stop it. Stop the bluffing, because you think somebody needs something from you. You are a joke. You are a joke. No position is permanent. There's no position that is permanent. So stop this, your bad attitude. Just because you've made some 10 million, 20 million, 40 million, 50, what is all that for? It means nothing. You can lose it in a day. I've seen people with millions and they attack with a bad disease called cancer. And immediately they hear the report, they start diminishing and they begin to die, and their money can't help them. It's a matter of time. I've seen your kind and your type. Loda kusala kasala matayas. Awahasalun kilahu sulama hatayas. Who do you think you are? There's a president in one of these African countries. I went to visit him, and he was mishandling somebody. So I went to intercede for the person, and he was very upset. He said, we have to punish him. And I said, Mr. President, I understand, but show some mercy, because time changes. He didn't listen. He punished the person. Few years after, another president came into office. That new president is a friend of mine. And they went after him and his vice president. They came to Ghana here to see me, to intervene. And I have to take them to see President Nana Akufo-Addo. I'm talking about a president. You, who are you? And you are bluffing. Honorable, how long have I known you? Honorable Kwame Batels. 46 years. You have no value for anybody. It's a matter of time. Malata kusalawata. Lahandu kasaland. Melutu kuhansa. Fahansatun kalindu basalaya. Let the wombs of tomorrow disadvantage you, that you may know that the Most High rules in the affairs of men. You know why I like this president and the wife Lordina? We've been relating for years before she became first lady. For years. And they are relational people. I don't like people who are arrogant. I don't care who you are. I'll stay away from you. I'm telling you. Because God resisted the proud. Pride people, I don't like them. You see the two of them? I like them. And I tell you, hear me, not because he's president. I'm just telling you. The other day I said, Mr. President, I want you to finish your term early so we can go and play golf. Yeah, I said, I don't want to play golf with you right now because people will think, oh, because he's president. I said, finish and let's go and play golf. Because outside of him being president, when you are with him outside of president, he's a very good human being. And the wife is also like that. Very good human beings. And the reason why I believe he will do well is because he's not a new president. He's been president before. He will do better this time around because he's been here before.